Sonia Akhtar, lecturer, Department of English, Milestone College. How are you, my dear students? I wish you all are fine. Dear students, you have to continue your study. I am here for taking your English first paper class based on English for Today book. Dear students, today's topic is fill in the gaps. How to write fill in the gaps. Dear students, you already have learned so many fill in the gaps in your English second paper. But you have a topic in first paper also that you will find a passage from your English for Today book will be given in your question paper and you have to answer. You will get 5 gaps and for each gap you will get 1 marks. So this topic is very important. Dear students, the interesting fact is that you will get a passage will be given in your question paper and based on that passage you have to answer fill in the gaps. Clear? So, dear students, today's topic Unit 12, Lesson 4B. Unit 12. Everyone, open your English for Today book and open Unit 12. What is the topic or title of Unit 12? The title of Unit 12 is Loops. Loops. What do you understand by loops? You already have learned in previous lesson, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. Do human beings have any loop? Yes, of course. You have to identify your loops. Dear students, Lesson 4B. What is the topic of Lesson 4? What is the title of Lesson 4? Can anyone say? See the book please. Yes, the topic of Lesson 4 is In Search of Identity. Dear students, so let's start our question fill in the blank. Here, question number 3. The question will be given in your question paper like this. This is the sample question. Read the following text and fill in the gap with a suitable word based on the information of the text. Just read the question and try to understand what is the demand of your question. First of all, read the following text. That means this following text you have to read and fill in the gap with a suitable word. With a suitable word, you have to use suitable word based on the information of the text. That means based on the information of this text. Clear? So, for getting information, you have to read this passage. So, whenever you will get any question, just read that passage 2 times or 3 times if you get time. Then it will help you to answer correctly. And this is a fact of joy, a matter of joy that this passage you already have learned in your English for Today. So, this is not a new topic. Dear student, let's start reading the passage. Just try to understand what is the topic of this sentence, this passage, and what is the message of this passage. You have to collect the information to fulfill the gaps and to get 5 marks. Clear? So, this is a letter. Okay, this is a letter written by Mithun to his friend Everson. Okay, dear Everson, often I am so sorry to see the footpaths occupied by floating people. What do you understand by floating people? Can anyone say? Floating people. Floating people, that means those who don't have shelter. Okay, those people are called floating people. So they are living in some makeshift houses. They are living in some makeshift houses. I simply cannot think how father, mother, grandfather and kids are living in such a teeny place. What's the meaning of teeny? Just think horrible situation that they have to live in a small place. Father, mother, grandfather and kids, they have to live in that small room, small place. What a horrible situation, what a horrible situation. And then within few years in their possession, they are sleeping, cooking and even beautify themselves. Just think about that. On that small place, how can they cook, sleep, eat, everything they have to do on that small place. The situation is not a civilized one. And just think that what is the condition of that house, that room. They are bound to live on that condition. Okay. So next lines. These people are living in such an inhuman condition. Of course, just think about this. This is the condition of inhuman condition. Of course, we can imagine actually. Then this cannot be the picture of life in a civilized society. Can you think in a civilized society? Can we imagine this type of situation? No, but they are living this type of condition they are passing through. And then also they polluting the area. Of course, whenever so many people live in one area, in a single area, then they are polluting their that area, of course, also. And then they are the least bothered about their health and hygiene. They are the least bothered about their health and hygiene. Of course, they are not concerned about their health, about hygiene. And out of my curiosity, I talked to some of these people. They have their own home and identity. But where? At their own village. These floating people have their own identity, own home in their village, but they are living in this type of miserable condition, this type of unhygienic condition, unhealthy condition. Okay, why? For earning. Okay, for earning their livelihood. Then they are here thinking that the city life will make their life better. They think that city life will make their life better. Is it true? City life give them better life? No, they are still now living in a miserable life. So how can they think this? And then what an agony. Of course, it is a matter of agony. And then can't the city or the state do anything for these people? Can it do anything for these floating people? Just think about this. No, we can't change the situation of these people. Right? Okay. Then next lines. Then, however, I must admit that I am amazed to see how they sometimes tidy up the place, especially in the evening. Yes, it's too tough to stay on that small room with father, mother, grandfather and children. This is so tough. Within that small room, they have to live so many people. And don't think about daytime, but if you think about evening, what is the condition of that place? Just think about this. On that small room, they have to sleep, they have to live, they have to eat, everything they have to do on that small room. So it is tough. And then last line, Mithun have written to his friend, that is home, sweet home after all. Of course, this is their happiness, that they feel that this is their own home. Okay, and they feel about thinking this. And then after reading these passages, based on these passages, passes, you will find fill in the gaps. You will find the passes will be given, and you will find 5 gaps, and each gap will carry 5 marks. So you should collect some information from that given passes, and then you should complete these gaps. Dear students, here is the sample question I have written. Sample question based on these above passes. You should read this one, you should complete this one. Before going to complete this, just pause the video and try to solve these questions and then open it. Okay. Okay, dear students, just whenever you will find any passage will be given in your question paper, then just read out that one to complete these gaps. I want to say that I have written all these here by using capital letter, but you need not write answer by using capital letter. For your betterment, that you can understand easily, I have written all capital letters. But no, you need not write here. And you need not write all the passages in your question paper. Just write A, B, C, D, E. Okay? Just write this how you can answer all the fill in the gaps in your second paper. Like that, you just answer it. Okay. So, after getting this question, you have to read this one. Just read it. The floating people, this passage is based on floating people, their lifestyle. So, here is written, the floating people live on footpaths. Yes, they live on footpath. In some houses, sometimes they live in houses which are dash. Which are what? Which are their own? No. Which are temporary. Which are temporary. So write here temporary. Okay. Then they are dashed to sleep. They are dashed to sleep, socialize, cook, and even beautify themselves within the few years that they dash. They are dashed to sleep. They are bound to sleep. They are compelled to sleep. So you can write here, they are compelled to sleep. Compelled to sleep, socialize, cook, and even beautify themselves within the few years that they dash. That they what? That they have. They have to enjoy. They have to enjoy. Within that place, they have to live. They have to cook. They have to sleep. They have to socialize. They have to maintain all things with that small place. Okay, that they have. And they're compelled. They're not living there for their happiness. No, they're compelled. They're bound to leave that place. Because they don't have any house here. In short, they are living in a dash condition. Better condition? No, not at all. They are living a miserable condition. So you have to write here miserable. They are living in a miserable condition. The next, they are totally dash of the sense of health. They are concerned about health. Are they concerned? No, they are not concerned about their health. So they are devoid of the sense of health. Dear students, this is the way how you can complete this question number 3, fill in the gaps. You will be given a question in a passage from your English for Today book. For this reason, you have to read all the passages from English for Today book. And it will be given based on seen passages, so you have to read all that you can easily identify that which topic is mentioned here. And whenever you will find in your question paper, then read that passage 2 times and also this question. Okay, this is how you can improve yourself in this question to answer this question. And dear students, follow the model question book. You can practice from there and also can check how practice from board question, and it will help you to get 5 marks. Okay, dear students, Allah Hafiz.